How to save money using solo ads. Let's get one thing clear. There is a lot of hype surrounding solo ads. There, I said it. I know I'm not supposed to say that because supposedly, solo ads are the best thing since sliced bread. Well, in many situations, it is. You get to convert more clicks into sales with solo ads. They tend to be more targeted, and this can lead to more useful and productive list members. The problem is there are two key factors that hold back solo ads. These are the reasons why you should not buy solo ads the moment you start list marketing. First of all, solo ads are usually expensive. The more finely tuned and targeted the list you're going to be advertising on, the more expensive it can be. Also, the more responsive the list, the more expensive it would be for you to place an ad on that list. The reason for this should be obvious. If the list owner is making a lot of money pushing all sorts of affiliated products or even his or her own products, you can bet you're going to have to pay a premium to share that same space. Next, solo ads can be very ineffective. Let's get one thing clear. Again, I'm talking about a few and by no means all. Some solo ad sellers are scammers. Seriously. They just put up their list, fill it with junk members, and make money by selling solo ad spots. They are really not making money in any other way from their list. Even if the solo ad seller is not a scammer, your solo ad placement would still be worthless because many promoters market their list in a way that tends to attract list squatters. These are people who sign up to many different lists using emails that they don't really check just because they're looking for freebies. These squatters are not your customers. They have no intention of ever buying anything. Finally, solo ads can be very ineffective because many promoters blast so many ads to their lists that people have been desensitized. They don't even open their emails. They just throw good money out the window by advertising on such lists. Are you depressed yet? Well, don't give up hope. There's a cheaper, more effective solution than using solo ad directories and listing services. Do your own outreach with niche-focused blogs that have their own mailing lists. The great thing about this method of placing solo ads is you will probably get a hold of virgin solo ad sellers. They haven't sold too many solo ads and are more likely to give you a break in terms of pricing. Feel free to make many custom deals with such bloggers. Many would be eager to make a deal with you because they are not making that much money off their blog. Little do they know that they are sitting on a gold mine. Here are some tips how to maximize your results. First, you need to contact as many of these blogs as possible. Next, run small test campaigns. The cheaper, the better. Once you notice that certain outlets convert on a much higher rate, pay more for those lists. Expand your campaigns and see if you can replicate your conversion rate. Most importantly, try to negotiate so you can pay for placement, not per click. Now you may be asking yourself, doesn't this take a lot of time? Well, it does. The good news is you can hire a virtual assistant to do the research for you. They can compile the lists and do initial outreach, and you can close the deals. This saves you a tremendous amount of time and also helps you do adequate preparation to negotiate the very best deals.